In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a GIF into Getresponse. Whether you're working on an email campaign or a landing page, adding a GIF is a great way to grab attention and make your content feel more dynamic. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you can confidently add GIFs to your designs without any confusion. First, make sure you're already inside the Getresponse editor, either for an email or a landing page. You should see your main design area in the center and a panel on the right with different types of content blocks. That right-hand panel is where you'll find the option you need. To begin, look for the image block in the right-hand panel. This is the block you'll use for GIFs as well, since Getresponse handles GIFs just like regular images. Click and drag the image block into your design and drop it exactly where you want the GIF to appear. Take a moment to position it in a logical place, like near a headline or above a call to action, so it supports your message instead of distracting from it. Once the image block is in your layout, click on it. You'll see an option that says Add Image. Go ahead and select that. This will open the Files and Images Manager, which is where all your media for Getresponse is stored. Now it's time to upload your GIF. On your computer, locate the .gif file you want to use. Then drag that .gif file directly into the Files and Images Manager window. You can also use an upload button if you prefer, but dragging and dropping is usually the fastest. Wait for the upload to finish so you can see a thumbnail of your GIF in the manager. When the GIF has finished uploading, hover your mouse over it. You should see an option that says Use. Click Use, and Getresponse will insert that GIF into the image block you added earlier. You'll now see it appear in your email or landing page layout. At this point, you can optionally refine how the GIF looks. Click on the GIF in your design and look over to the Properties panel. Here you can adjust the width to make it larger or smaller, depending on your layout. It's a good idea to preview how it looks on both desktop and mobile so it doesn't appear too big or too tiny. You can also add a link in the Properties panel, which is especially useful if you want the GIF to act like a button and send people to a specific page when they click it. And that's all there is to it. By dragging in an image block, uploading your .gif file, inserting it, and then tweaking the size and link, you can easily add engaging, animated GIFs to any Getresponse email or landing page.